Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing four cryptos which are Dogecoin, Aave, Pepe and Litecoin. We will see where they might move over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel and to receive our real-time trading signals and our analysis on stocks, forex, commodities and crypto. Then you can join us. You will find the link in the description field. Let's start with Dogecoin. I've been stating several times that I was expecting a very strong movement, which will be a historical one. So I expect something extraordinary over the next 3 months. So July, August, September. And that's because I've been detecting a 1 year, or to be more precise, a 10/11 months on a daily chart as an entire cycle, which can be divided in two minor cycles of 5/6 months, and then a weekly cycle of 4.5/5 years. Okay, so what is happening right now? In other videos I've been calling for a period of retracing between April and June, and I've been stating that between June and July, in the window of, especially at the end of June, we should be expecting, or we should have expected, a new movement up, which actually is happening right now. So let's come to Dogecoin. Dogecoin are among the four aforementioned ones, so Dogecoin, Aave, Pepe, Litecoin, to me is the least interesting, okay? And the reason is very simple. We see a lack in terms of volumes. Right now, Dogecoin is capped by the 0.10 US dollar resistance area. What is going to happen next is that probably Dogecoin is going to test that area, but from there we will see a strong retrace. So Dogecoin will be buy only above the area between 0.15 slash 0.20 US dollar. Till there, in terms of speculative trading, we will be just losing time. Okay. Also expect a period of a prolonged horizontal movement, so a prolonged period of moving horizontally for Dogecoin. Okay, so I'm not a fan of what I'm seeing right now. Let's see a different chart. Okay, so Aave, the main difference is given by actually this block of volumes that we see actually originated in August 2022. I've been stating that we are inside a new bull cycle as of November 2022. Now we know that volumes always anticipate the price movement, but we also know that before seeing a movement, once we detect huge volumes, we need some period of time. Okay. So for Aave, apparently, but just apparently, we have a similar chart than Dogecoin. Even in this case, we have a horizontal resistance at 100 US dollar, but the big difference is given by these volumes. Okay, so Aave will be definitely breaking above this area, 100 US dollar. Very first target will be here at 300 US dollar. So Aave looks very extremely promising over the next months. Let's analyze now Pepe. Pepe, as you can see here, is moving inside the rectangle, which can be defined by 501, which is the horizontal support, and the horizontal resistance, which is given by 502. Okay, right now it is moving at 5016, as you can see here. Okay, now let's put our attention, let's analyze the volumes. Okay, what we see here, we see two spike in volumes in May 2023, and again a new spike in volume in June 23. Okay, so this one is a daily chart. In other words, those volumes are working as a POC, or point of control. Now here we can see displayed the volume profile, yet it is understandable by those two spikes in the volumes. So what we should be expecting for Pepe? Right now, I believe that we see this formation of this horizontal resistance around 5016. So it will take some time before breaking above this area. But as you can see here, and as I've been stating, Pepe is capped by here, this important resistance area at 502. Definitely something that I expect Pepe breaking over next weeks. It will not be broken over next days, so we will need to be patient. Yet during the 3 months, where I expect a historical movement higher, something extraordinary that we cannot see, that we haven't seen over the last few months, definitely Pepe will be able to break above. So personally speaking, so mine is not a suggestion for trading, so you trade on your own, you take responsibilities for your trading, but that's how I trade. Okay, so I will be actually buyer above this area. I need to see a weekly closure, so some long white candle breaking this area where we will see a new horizontal resistance. So I will actually put my buy limit above this area, and then we will see Pepe skyrocketing till as a very first target, testing the 504, this area where we see actually this movement from where Binance started to take into consideration Pepe. But we know that Pepe was already actually uploaded in other broker sites. So let's move on and let's analyze Litecoin. Litecoin actually has a very interesting chart. Right now, among the 4 analyzed, is the best one. But what we can see or what we can say for Litecoin, right now, this is a weekly chart. We've seen actually a long white candle breaking above this very first resistance area. But the very important one, the very important resistance area is given by the 1-2, okay, the 120 US dollar area. Okay, now we see an increase in terms of volumes. I expect over the next hours a retrace till something around 95 100 US dollar. So I believe that right now Litecoin will be retracing over the next hours, days, and that's because actually I've detected a point of control in the daily chart, which will be actually acting as a resistance. So it will be most probably we see Litecoin moving back, okay, so retracing. But and that's very interesting, the 90/95 US dollar area will be a very interesting area, and from there we are going to see some reversal pinball, okay, a very interesting area from where starting by Litecoin with a very interesting target here, okay, at 240 US dollar. Litecoin, as you can see here, is moving inside as of we see here June 2022, is moving inside a bull trend because we see higher highs and higher lows, which by definition is an uptrend. Okay, so while the big majority, the 95% of the crypto coins, the crypto tokens, were moving downwards, Litecoin kept moving upwards. So Litecoin looks very, very extremely promising. Thank you, guys.